Welcome students in today's math class. Today's topic is functions. In today's class we have to learn about the definitions, that is sets, functions, domain, codomain, range and image. Let us go to the first one, that is sets. What is the definition of a set and what are the application of a set? We will see. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects are called sets. First, let us understand what is the definition of a set. In this, a set is a collection. Collection is nothing but a group of well-defined. Well-defined is a clear, which means the object what we have here, that should be clear, and distinct. Distinct are nothing but the different. Different objects are the elements should have. That is called a set. With example we can understand clearly. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have written this in a curly brackets. Sets are represented within a curly brackets. We have written within a curly bracket 1, 2, 3 and 4 is a set of numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are different, not the same. That is a distinct. Collection 1, 2, 3, 4 are the group of the elements. What we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, this is called elements, or the objects, or the member also we can call. This is one set of a number. These are a set of a number. Second one, A, B, C, D. In that also we have clear. This is a set of alphabets. Immediately when we will see this, we can say this is the set of alphabet. And the third set is a set of vowels. A, E, I, O, U, these are the set of vowels. The fourth one, here in this set, in the curly braces what we have written, these elements are not distinct, are not well defined. These objects are not belong to the numbers, set of numbers, or neither it is a set of alphabets. Both are combined, they have put in one set. Means this is not a set actually. They are put in one group. 1, 2, 2, 3, A, B, C, like this. So this is not a set, because this is not a distinct. Here 2 is repeated, and this is also not a well defined, because this is not clear. Means this is not belong to the set of numbers or set of alphabets. That is why this is not a set. I hope you understand the definition of set. And one more point in this you have to remember, it is denoted with a capital letter. Set is denoted by a capital letter. Next we will go to the domain, range and codomain. Domain, range and codomain. In this we have two sets, set A and set B. In the set A we have elements A, B, C, D, and in the set B we have elements Aman, Ankit, Baljinder, Chandu and Ekalava. These are the name of the students. These two sets we have. Here set 1 what we have, this is called domain. set 1, what are the elements of a set A are called a domain, that is A, B, C, D. And this also we can call this is as a input values. Then what is a codomain? Codomain is the second set, that is B set. In this we have the elements Aman, Ankit, Baljinder, Chandu and Ekalavya. These are the codomains. The first set element is called domain and the second set elements are called the codomain. Next, what is a range? Range is the output. So here A is pointing to Aman, B is pointing to Baljinder, C is pointing to Chandu, D is pointing to Ekalavya. These are the output. This is called the range. Aman, Baljinder, Chandu and Ekalavya. What we are mapping from A to B set. A to B set. What we are mapping here means what from A to B, what it is pointing. Like example, these are the grades and these are the students. Aman got A grade, Baljinder got B grade, Chandu got C grade, Ekalavya got D grade, or else A grade to the Aman, like this. So what we are getting the output, that is called a range. Students, I hope this also you understood what is a domain, codomain and a range. Next, we will go to the definition of functions. How we are defining the functions. First, let us understand in generally what is a function. For every input there is a unique output. Like we can take the example of computer only. Whatever we are giving the instruction or the data through the keyboard, that it is taking and giving the output, processing it and giving the output. Here we must get only the unique output. For every input there is a unique output we must get. Like one simple example, if I'll ask to you, what is the name of your father? Then what is the answer? There is only one answer, one output. This is a function. We must get unique output. One more example we'll take. That is, what is the name of your parents? Parents are here two names we will get. There is a father and there is a mother. We are not getting the unique output here. This is not a function. Here we are getting two answers. That is why this is not a function. Now we will come to the actual definition. Look here. F colon A arrow mark B means F is a function from A to B. A and B are the two sets of what we have seen in the previous slide. F is a function from A to B. A relation from A to B. A relation from A to B is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. What is the meaning of this? We have seen in the previous example, we have seen the two sets, that is previous, here we have seen the two sets, that is A and B. In this we have A is related to B. The relationship, a relation from A to B is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Every element of set A, A, B, C, D, what we have, every element of set A has one and only one image of set B. So A range is also called as the image. A is related to, pointing to Aman, only one image we will get. Here also B is pointing to Baljinder, only one image got. C single image, here also only one image. Set A has one and only one image in set B. Here you have to understand the two condition what they have given for the function. Every element of set A will have an image. First one, every element of set A will only one image B. Now next we will understand in detail, that is set A, A, B, C, D element we have. Set B, Aman, Ankit, Baljinder, Chandu and Ekalavya we have. For a function we have here two condition what they have given. Every element of set A will have an image. Look here, set A, elements A, B, C, D, 4 elements we have. But what they are saying here, every element of set A will have an image. A is having image, B is having image, C is having, but D is not having an image. D is not have a image. That is why it is not a function. First condition is not satisfied. That is why this is not a function. Every element of set A will have an image. A is having image, B is having image, C is having image, but D is not having image. That is why it is not a function. Next, we will understand one more example for a function. Here A, B, C, D are the 4 elements. Again, all 4 are having the image. A is having the image, B is having, C is also having an image, and D is also have a image. But here first condition is satisfied, but second condition is not satisfied. Here every element of set A will only one image in set B. Only one image we should have here. But from A we are getting here two images. From a set A what we have, we should have only one image. A element is having 2 images here. So this condition not satisfied. The second condition is not satisfied. That is why this is not a image function. Since A has 2 images, it is not a function. Now next one more example we will understand. Here this is a function. This is a function because here we have all the elements of set A is having images and only one images. That is why this is a function. Every element of a set has an image and every element has only one image, hence it is a function. A is having Aman image and B is connected to the Baljinder, C is related to the Chandu and D is a Ekalavya. So this is a definition of a function. So I hope all of you understood, all of you got the clear idea about a function. In the next class, I will explain some example of a function. Thank you, students.